and welcome to my video today. This is a video in my creative journal. This is episode number 2. And some of these layouts in my creative journal I'm sharing with my members, and some of them I'm sharing here. These will typically be much shorter videos, and there's not a lot of point to them. Like, there's not a lot of like this is an exact thing or this exact story, or some of it is just I want to have fun and I want to share that with you. And that is what my creative journal is all about. So here on my desk I have my creative journal, which if you're new, I created this by simply taking my Erin Condren notebook, pulling the papers out, and then punching these disc bound holes into them, and then using the discs to hold it all together. Now that is so I can take it out and things can expand, and if things aren't perfectly flat in here, I can like remove pages and add pages. Also, the Erin Condren paper is really amazing. I love their paper. It has this very toothy feel to it. It's very thick. It is really beautiful paper and I love it. I love how my handwriting looks on it. I can stamp on it and it's gonna hold up. And so that's what you see me doing here. I have some letter stamps, and what I'm stamping out is pet tape. So that's PET tape, and it's sort of like washi tape, but it's these individual stickers. And I've always been really intrigued by that, by pet tape, but I've never gotten any, particularly because I feel like the washi tape shop, I don't understand how to like order from them. I don't understand how to like go on their site, and it feels so overwhelming, and I don't know how to like look at their different things, and I've just never put a lot of time into figuring it out. And so when HEPA released, she has 3 pet tapes. I definitely wanted to try them out, and I got 3. No, I'm sorry. I got 2 of the 3 that she released. I got this one here that you're going to see, and then I got a like Halloween, October, fall one. And so I'm stamping out pet tape from HEPA. I just wanted it to have some sort of title or some sort of stamp. I just really wanted to be stamping. That's really the truth of the matter, is I just wanted to be having fun with my stamps. And I also wanted to stick all of these down. I have been liking doing that, even like if I get new washi tape, doing a couple strips of it and seeing everything together is nice. The pet tape pulls up really easily, so if you make a mistake, you can pull it up very easily. It is somewhat delicate, so it will tear or rip if you're not careful. And what I'm doing is I'm just coming in and I cut off a strip of all of the stickers. So they do repeat at a certain point. They will start to repeat. And so I pulled them off to see all the ones that are here, and then I'm sticking them to this page. And I sort of like doing this where it's like almost like a puzzle where you're sticking things down and you're finding spots for them. And my desire is to get all of the stickers that are available on this sheet onto one paper. So then I can, a couple things. I can see how they look when you stick them down. These are somewhat clear, and so you can see like where the stop sign is, there's white space between there, so that's good to see how they actually look on paper, and then to see the size of them. And then this tape is rolled up, so, and it will stay rolled up where I keep it, it will stay rolled up. And so if I want to use this, I can also flip to this page and I can see all of the stickers. Now, you will also see October the way I did October, and that was fun, and it was a little bit different. It was the same concept, but I used it for a certain like project, and I really loved that. The other thing that I really like doing is making a few notes around a couple of the stickers. Like, I love that computer one where it looks like a Zoom meeting, and so I just wrote, I love that. I would suggest if you do something like this, waiting to write anything, like any commentary. I would suggest waiting to do that until you're sure everything's gonna fit. I definitely had to shift things around a little bit, and if I had written more, it would have made it harder. I ended up writing a lot of it afterwards. But again, I'm just loving putting this down, making this collage. A lot of times you get so much on these pet tapes or like on washi tape, like this is not a waste for sure. I mean, I have so many of these stickers left. I will probably be able to use them for years and years. I will also say that this was not necessarily my favorite. I really love the October, and I will probably get a lot of use out of that. These stickers will probably last me a really long time because they're not exactly my style. Like, even though I think like they are really pretty, I will definitely find uses for them, but it's just really not my style. I don't know if I had seen them all out on a page like this, I don't know that I would have purchased them. But I will definitely get use out of them. There's a couple on there I'll probably get more use out of than others. That Take a Walk one I'll probably get quite a bit of use out of. But like that, let's see, there was one on here that I was like, I don't know if I'll use that. It might be that one that says 1, 2, 3. I think maybe that's supposed to be, like, is that supposed to be your brain and you're thinking of things? Like, I don't really get it. Yeah, that's the one where I was like, I just am not really sure about this one. So I probably won't use that one a ton. Also, I will not use that dog one. I don't even think I put the dog sticker down. I don't have animals and I'm not an animal person. I don't really care for animals. You know, I mean, that's just the truth, you guys. I'm not an animal person. I don't like it. I don't like the way they smell. I don't like it's like, I feel like it's like having a newborn baby all the time. Like, so we just, to say the least, we don't have animals. So I don't even know if maybe I put it down, but I doubt that I will really use that dog one. I won't have any reason to use it. And so being able to see the headphones with the music, I think I will definitely use that one quite a bit. Oh yeah, I did put the dog one down. I'll probably use that one with the headphones, but I think I write by it. Like, I don't know if I'm going to be using this one all that much. I think that I might also, I do my dashes. I always feel like that contains my page. And then the other thing that I will do is I wanted that pet tape from HEPA to stand out. So I'm going to grab my Wink Stella, and then I'm going to take this ink pad and press it into the metal. You can see I just pressed the top of the ink pad into the metal top of that container, and then I'm using my Wink Stella to come in and add that same color. So it has a little bit of glitter, and you'll see I'm trying to add a lot of color at the top and then pull it down. This is not watercolor paper, so it doesn't work perfectly. It is a thick enough paper that it was able to contain the wetness of my Wink Stella. And once I got a little bit of a hang of like how the paper was going to work with the Wink Stella and the ink, it was a little bit easier. But you can see that I'm coming in and adding that to the top and then pulling it down, and I really like the way that looked, and it just gave me a different way to use my product. I used to do this all of the time with ink pads. You just press them into the top and then you can use them like watercolors, and I love the ability to do that and just be able to use that in a different way. And I love using my Wink Stella pen as a watercoloring pen because you can control the liquid in the pen a lot easier than an aqua painter. I just really like it, and you can refill those Wink Stellas. I do that all the time, and then it has a little bit of glitter in it. But this is the way the page came out. I know this is a really short just a fun video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will be sharing more in this creative journal, I'm sure. There are going to be 2 other videos here on the screen for you that you can check out. I would love for you to give this video a like if you liked this content. That always helps YouTube to be kind to me, and I appreciate it when YouTube is kind to me. I will be back next week with more videos for you, so I hope you're doing well, and I will catch you in my very next video.